Hey friends, so we are in the last section, which is more of a project wrap up. So we've been able to indulge with OpenAI during this tutorial. We were able to send prompts and also receive completions from the OpenAI Codex. The reason why we were using Codex is because it's the model that converts natural language to code, and we used the code DaVinci 002. It was very interesting to get to receive the completions. However much the codex is currently in beta version, so it may be the reason why we're receiving some completions that are correct in terms of code and others that are incomplete. Also, OpenAI Codex is also sending like comments, so it's very unpredictable what the OpenAI model could return. I will excuse the fact that it's still in the beta version, but all in all, it has been very interesting to be able to design from scratch, being able to create an application such as this, where, to be honest, if the model will be very, very accurate, it will be very easy for developers to actually play around with code or get to generate code, see design from the design screen, and if satisfied, we can also this is where now certain features come in, or we could actually add, for example, like adding a share feature. This share may be either sharing in code, pushing it to GitHub, or sharing even this design screen itself to someone. Another thing that I'm considering is we could also add an edit feature on the completion screen. Yes, the OpenAI Codex model sometimes does not return the correct code completions, but what if we could give the user the chance to actually edit that specific completion that has been brought in by OpenAI Codex, and once they are done, they're able to go to the design screen and see the design itself. For now, our design screen will be displaying the dummy list. This is because currently the OpenAI Codex is returning some very unpredictable completion. So if we decide to pass it to the eval widget, or to allow the Flutter eval to execute and interpret this together with the code that's already there in the screen, there will be errors. There will be a bug. We'll receive our red background for real. So instead of just pushing it, knowing very well we'll get errors, I have created a Slack channel specifically for this tutorial so that we can actually engage. I'll continue updating this application and also looking forward to when the OpenAI model will get out of the beta version so that we can see how much we can go far with it. Please join me in the Slack channel. The link is down below. I'll be sharing the updates, and also I would really love to hear what kind of features could you add to this app while the Codex OpenAI model is on the beta version. What can we change? Please share in the comments down below, and also join me on the Slack channel so that we can engage. We can even share ideas in terms of code, or also we might decide to integrate it with another AI model that would help us out. So please do not miss out on that and follow that link. And also do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to comment, and do not forget to like. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It was really interesting interacting with it in terms of with an application itself and in Flutter also. And until then, I look forward to meeting you on the next tutorial. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask, and also follow me on Instagram. Take care.